Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. It's been super slow in my area, so I wanted to take the time out to make this quick little video just to educate you guys a little bit more about Para. Now I know it may seem like I don't like Para, and in a lot of my videos I stress how inaccurate they are, but I just wanted to clarify a few things and kind of educate you guys on like what Para is about and why we see a lot of misinformation. So right off the bat, Para says that they are making an educated guess on these orders just like we would, but they're doing this service to make it easier for us because we're on the road and driving. So more often than not, when we receive these orders from DoorDash, we have to kind of try to figure out how many items there are, what the order total is, all these different factors that play into it on whether or not we think it has a hidden tip. So we have to do all that while we're driving. So basically the idea of Para is to do all that work for us so that we don't have to do it while we're driving. Anytime you see an offer from Para that has stars next to the tip, that is a guarantee, like 100% guarantee that that order is correct, that they are giving you the correct information. Now in my market personally, I saw maybe 3 starred orders out of like the last 50. But I've seen so many other people who like every 4 orders, they get a starred order. If you do use Para, anytime you see a star next to the order, that means it is a guaranteed offer. What you see is what you're going to get. Anything else is basically just a guesstimate. So let me just show you really quickly on my phone here. See all these offers here? None of them have stars next to it. So let me find one that has a star just so I can show you what I mean. Okay, right here, Chick-fil-A. This Chick-fil-A order right here, there's a star right there. That's a guarantee that that order is going to have that tip and that payout. But there is so many other things that Para has to offer. They also work with GrubHub. They do the work telling you the dollar per mile ratio, what the tip's going to be, what time the food's going to be ready, all of that stuff that we don't know when we receive the order. So it does it all for us while we're driving, just to make things so much easier for us on the road. Other things, they're working on trying to integrate with Uber Eats and some other programs to try to help us as gig workers. Like they're trying to focus on being like the #1 gig worker tool. Other things that I think are amazing that Para does is the ability to flag offers. Flag local restaurants, delivery locations, and even people. Says bad tip, no parking, long wait time. Flag offers directly in your offer feed to avoid in the future. So basically, if you have a customer that didn't tip and you didn't know that until after you completed the order, or if they were rude, or there's a restaurant you want to put on the no-go list, flag it through Para and they will tell you when the order comes up that this is a flagged offer. This is from a flagged person. This is from a flagged address. I think that is huge help. But they do so many other things too. You actually can go back and look at your offer list, which I think is really, really cool too. There's just so many other features. When you're in the Para app and you go down to the tabs down the bottom, if you can see that, there's one that says Works. So I'm on the wait list because they don't have Para Works in my area. But what they're basically trying to do is they're trying to work with other companies to try to help us when it's slow to be able to make money doing other things. Fit new offers seamlessly into your workflow, optimize your time and meet your goals faster, and switch up your daily routine, discover new revenue streams. So they're just trying to help. So I know a lot of people in the comments saying Para is crap, Para is always wrong. In my experience, that seems to be the case too. But they have way more to offer than just the hidden tip indicators. And all you're gonna do is watch for the stars, and those are guaranteed, hands down, orders that you should be accepting if it meets your criteria. So I just wanted to educate you guys and just to give you guys a little bit of information about Para, that it's more than just a hidden tip predictor. All right, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helped you out. As always, it is your own personal decision whether or not you want to take the risk. If you feel the reward is greater than the risk of using Para, they did send out an email telling me that they have not yet to date had any drivers be deactivated for solely using Para. So having that been said, it's totally up to you. I'm not going to try to force anybody to use it. I'm not going to try to discourage you from using it. It does help me. That's why I continue to use it, because I'd rather have an idea than none at all. And I'd rather not have to do all this extra work while I'm driving. But if you do want to try Para out and you want to see if it works well for you, there's a link down in the description box. You can actually download it right from there instead of having to look it up in the App Store. As always, guys, stay safe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. I would really appreciate it. It would really help us to grow this community together. And don't forget to like this video so it can get seen by more people across the world. And if you see this video right here, this is a video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. So click on that for some more Gig Mom. All right, stay safe. Peace out.